Macaws, known for their vibrant plumage and charismatic personalities, are large parrots native to Central and South America. These colorful birds belong to the family Psittacidae, with several species recognized for their striking blue, red, yellow, and green feathers. Macaws inhabit tropical forests, savannas, and swamps, where they form strong social bonds and live in pairs or small family groups. They are highly intelligent and capable of complex vocalizations, including loud squawks and calls that carry over long distances, aiding in communication within their flocks. Macaws are primarily herbivorous, feeding on fruits, seeds, nuts, and vegetation, using their powerful beaks to crack open tough shells. Some species, like the hyacinth macaw, are known for their specialized diet, which includes palm nuts rich in fats and oils. These birds are also notable for their longevity, with lifespans ranging from 30 to 50 years in the wild and potentially longer in captivity. Despite their adaptability and intelligence, macaws face threats from habitat loss due to deforestation, illegal pet trade, and hunting. Conservation efforts focused on preserving their natural habitats, enforcing wildlife protection laws, and promoting Macaws are not only renowned for their colorful appearance, but also for their unique behaviors and ecological importance in their native habitats. These birds play crucial roles as seed dispersers, particularly for large-seeded fruits and nuts, helping to regenerate and maintain the diversity of plant species in tropical forests. Macaws are highly social creatures, often forming close-knit bonds within their flocks and demonstrating cooperative behaviors such as mutual grooming and vocalizations that strengthen group cohesion. Their vocal abilities are impressive, with some species capable of mimicking human speech and a wide range of natural sounds. Macaws also exhibit complex mating rituals, including elaborate courtship displays involving synchronized movements, vocal duets, and exchange of food between mates. Nesting typically occurs in tree cavities, where females lay eggs and both parents share responsibilities in incubating the eggs and raising the chicks. Despite their intelligence and adaptability, macaw populations face significant threats, including habitat fragmentation, climate change, and poaching for the illegal pet trade. Conservation efforts aimed at protecting their habitats. Macaws are known for their distinctive personalities and ability to form strong bonds with humans and other animals. They thrive in environments with abundant food sources and secure nesting sites, often adapting to a variety of forest types, and macaws are capable of remarkable feats of intelligence, such as problem-solving and tool use, which contribute to their survival in challenging environments. These parrots also display a remarkable array of behaviors, from playful interactions within their flocks to complex social hierarchies that facilitate cooperative foraging and defense against predators. Unfortunately, many macaw species are threatened by human activities, including habitat destruction through logging and agriculture, as well as capture for the exotic pet trade. Conservation efforts focused on habitat preservation, anti-poaching measures, and community education about the importance of preserving wildlife are crucial for ensuring the long-term survival of macaws and maintaining the biodiversity of their ecosystem. By protecting these magnificent birds, we not only safeguard their future, but also contribute to the health and resilience of tropical and subtropical habitats.